I make these filters that are absolutely phenomenal. When we're talking about water, they can remove everything that we want. So we're using all of the work the last 5 years that I've been doing on non-toxic solvents, on green solvents, bio-derived solvents. So I thought to myself, well, that's step one. When we've made those membranes, we know how they work. Then I thought to myself, I made all of this work over a decade working with silver nanoparticles, and silver nanoparticles are highly antimicrobial and they're highly antiviral. We know how to obtain medical grade silver nanoparticles because, again, toxicity levels. The virus is about 120 nanometers in size. In the world of membranes, that's large. Even more so, it's not going to come as a virus by itself flying in the air. It's going to come in the saliva, so it's going to be a much larger particle. And so now we have this small filter and a large particle. It's just not going to go through. Well, the silver nanoparticle is right there to interact with the shape. The virus, the coronavirus, it has the crown and it has proteins, the glycoproteins on the crown. It interacts with that and it prevents them from binding and attaching, and it makes it have to end its useful life faster, and it inactivates it. So pure membranes as a filter, they would collapse. It would be thinner than a thin fabric layer. So when you're breathing, that would go into your mouth, out. If you're breathing strongly, that it could rip. How can I make this strong? How can I find this support that would be able to withstand the pressure? When I talk about support, I'm talking about a lattice. They're on polypropylene, so just regular plastic, like the same plastic at any store that sandwiches come in. Eric Wooldridge, he makes them. He can make them on the design that we want. So right now we're trying a bunch of designs, and then we'll be able to cast the membrane directly on top of that. And now we have the mechanical strength. The membrane will plug some of the holes, but not completely. And the beauty of the 3D printing is that it can be done quickly, it can be done cheaply. I love the fact that the 3D printed supports for us are from a collaboration with a community college. This shows that without the help of a community college, this project would not have been possible. So it shows that we are all together an intellectual force.